Thermal cameras have been fitted to a County Durham care home in a bid to prevent the spread of coronavirus. Specialist cameras will detect if staff and visitors have a high temperature before entering Crosshill nursing home in Stanhope. Factories, hospitals, schools and airports are also considering trialling the cameras. Stu Wynkoop reports from Stanhope.
First comes the warning.
Please wear a mask. Please wear a mask.
The thermal imaging cameras detect faces, but crucially they will show if someone has a temperature. The aim is to detect carriers of the coronavirus before they enter the care home and infect others.
Once Boris Johnson decided to open up, because of the fact that the Dales is a very popular place, a location for people to come, we actually were aware of the fact that there would be more people who would then come into the Dales, which potentially then would put more of our staff at risk of being able to come across people who potentially had the infection. And also we have now started opening up to visitors, and so we were concerned about visitors who were coming to the home.
These cameras are normally used for fire prevention, to locate heat spots. They can't detect coronavirus, but they are seen as a first line of screening.
There's no queuing for this or anything like that. The big benefit with this system is it's a sort of way of screening temperatures, skin temperatures of anyone coming into the property without any person getting involved. It's all done automatically and it's all done within the second as soon as someone walks past the camera.
Hi Ellie. Hi. Cup of tea beside the plate, honey? Yeah.
So far, fortunately, Crosshills has not had any cases of coronavirus here. And the staff say they've been doing everything in their power to stop the virus getting in. But the last couple of weeks have taken their toll.
It's extremely stressful. I mean, at the moment, there is only 5 nurses who are actually running this home 24 hours a day, one of them being myself. And so the nurses and also the care staff, catering staff, are all having to cover each other because anybody who has any potential signs of being unwell, we're not allowing them to come. But the staff have been absolutely fantastic. They're covering shifts, they're also protecting the residents and protecting each other.
The thermal imaging cameras are now being considered for use in hospitals and schools. Stu Wynkoop, BBC Look North, Stanhope.